Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how Microsoft Excel works and the different features on Microsoft Excel. Without delaying, let's start with this blank workshop. This is a workbook. You click here, then for clicking a new one. Do you see after clicking it is called book 1, and I'm going to show you little by little different features that you can see on this dashboard on the screen. This is a book 1, which is Excel. It is on the top. You can see a book 1. It's a default name of the workbook, and also this Excel is a software name. If we save the file, the book 1 will change the file name in the name that you choose. For example, if you see here, you can see the features of AutoSave. If we click on it automatically appear on OneDrive. As you can see, if it's on, Excel file automatically save in OneDrive. This is an icon of save icon in your file. This is an icon of undo and redo, reverse or repeat action. This is a search bar or on top center. This is for two command on the help. Example, type sum here. If you type sum, it's going to appear all things here. Here also you have for account. This is for your different account, which is on email, Outlook, or other accounts. This is a ribbon tab, main menu. As you can see, this is a heart of Excel. You can see these tabs. For example, this one, clipboard. Also here on top you have file, home, website, PDF, insert, draw, layout, formulas, data, review, view, automate, help, and acrobat. It is called the heart of Excel. As a beginner or anyone also who is learning Excel for first time, you can use only home, insert, formulas, and only data. These 4 is enough for you to master it. This is a ribbon tool area, this one. As you can see, we have here clipboard, we have paste, erase, copy, and cut. We have also front here. We have a front here. We have a DC board for inserting or bottom border. Here you have for uppercase and lowercase. We also have for alignments, for aligning left, aligning center, and also aligning on the right. This is for numbers, general numbers. We have percentage, we have currency, and also we have increase or decrease decimals. This is the styles, conditional formatting. You have format as table and set types. This all says, you can see it is a ribbon of tool area. You can jump to name box here. It is called name box. As you can see, this in its column D on row number 2, which calls, if you click here, it appears D2. As you can see, a D2. Here, this is a formula bar, FX. For example, if I mention equal and the sum, and I click here, sum, parentheses, and for example B1 up to scroll down as this, and the close parentheses, you can see it is mentioned 0. You see sum parentheses B2 and C7. Click enter. equals 0. Then we have also the main grid. This is the worksheet area. This is called a main grid. This is where we work with a data. I mean here, everywhere. And also we have what we call a column. Column we have A1, AB, C, D, up to there. If I scrolling up to there, it's a large number of columns. You have also rows from 1 to, it's a lot of rows that we have in Excel. We have also each cell can contain here. Each cell, if I mean cell, is this one. This is a cell. A cell is comprised by a row and a column and a row. This one is called a cell. You can write a text, for example, text. You can write numbers 1, 2, 3. You can write date. (2026). This is the date. You can write also formulas as we did before, equals, sum, and click here, and click here, comma, and this one, and close. This is a formula that I'm typing here. This is called a formula. And also we have a sheet tab. It is on the bottom left. You can add a sheet. This is a sheet number 2, sheet number 3. You can rename it. Right click on it and rename. Let me call exercise number 2. And you can rename this one. This is English course, as you want. And also you can delete a sheet. If I click on it, right click and delete, automatically disappear. One workbook can contain many sheets. This is one workbook, this one workbook, but we have many sheets. As you can see, I can add a large number of sheets in one workbook. Guys, if you are still watching, you are on the right track. So this is the reward. I'm going to show you example how to insert a table or insert data. First you select, this is a column and the rows. You come here, insert a table. Then it's going to insert automatically. But also you can click here, you come here and you select all borders. This is all column. I insert it. You can see. For this first column, I can insert name and I click here, double click, country, and here I can insert salary. As you can see, if I click here and I select, I mention the mouse here and I select these 3 columns and come here, I can change the font. If I click here and you can add in yellow, you can add them in blue color, and this is to highlight, this is to fill the color. If I fill the color in, for example, in black, you can see I fill in. Also I can bold them here. Thank you. And there is something that beginners used to forget. For example, if we typing a formula, as I said here, this is where you can insert a formula. For example, if we click here and we forgot to put equal, the formula doesn't work. For example, sum, parentheses, you put A1, doesn't work. You can see. But if I come here, I delete this one, and I start with equal, and then the sum, you see automatically it appear. And I can click here A1, then select and A2, close parenthesis. You can see is 0 because there is no data which is in country and the name. But also you can see here the formula is there. But also if you are clicking, you are calculating here and you click here, for example, if, and you click a random cell, for example here, it saves automatically, which means that don't click random button. If you are calculating or inserting data, it's better to click the right one. For example here, don't click a random one. And also there is another mistake to don't save their works. For example, our file here, you see it is not saved. This is a book 1, but it's not saved. So to save a file, you come here. First, let me do this one. You come here, file, then you save. There is a difference between save and the save as. Save as, you are going to choose, you are going to save it on. Guys, there is 4 things that I want to show you here in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, this is an icon of save, an icon of cut, an icon of copy, and this is the icon of paste. For example, if I come here, I click here for select this column of salary, and I come here and I cut it. You see there is something which is moving, and I come here on E, then here and I say paste. You can see I have cut from here and I paste it from here. And also if I come back here, because it's cut, and for example cut is copy this one, click here on copy and I come here on C and I can paste it here. But also there is a shortcut on the keyboard that you can use for copy, for cut, and for paste. These shortcuts are very helpful. Every learners on Microsoft Excel should use them. Thank you very much. You have been learning how to insert data, how to create sheets, how to name sheets, how to delete sheets, and also how to know these different ribbons, tabs, formulas, and also insert formula. This is on styles, this conditional formatting, everything is here. This is how to save, and also let me add how to save this file that we were looking for here. Let me click here on file, and they also come here on save as, and then the browser, then you put where I want to save it, whether it's on the desktop, where it's in the local disk, and everywhere. It depends on where you want to save your documents. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much.